Hi everyone, I am Pooja Somashekar, founder of Content Dynamics. Today, I am going to discuss about what are the possible organizational problems in terms of revenue and user satisfaction. The first problem is quality of the internal knowledge base impacts organization efficiency. Say for example, I am a new joinee or a lateral joined a company and I am in need of technical and process related information. In order to seek that, I will search the company's knowledge base. Here we need to consider two aspects. Whether the knowledge base is created, if it is created, does it cover the essential and critical information, and also whether it is up to date. If it is not, then I may tend to seek the help of the team leads or the SMEs for their valuable time, which they are investing in solving the major problems. This creates an inefficiency in the organization. The second one is customers bonding with the product or service impacts the organization revenue. Say for example, I am in a need to generate a flowchart. Then I found a flowchart tool from the company XYZ. I started creating the flowchart, but I'm not able to understand the key phrases used in the tool and also finding difficulties to generate the flowchart. This creates a huge inconvenience and the bond is not created between the product and myself, which again directly impacts the company revenue because the product is not sold. The third one, high volume customer service call and tickets leads to revenue leak. Suppose if I am using a product or services which I am not able to get a clear information out of it on how to operate or how to use it, then I tend to call the customer support people. Likewise, there are hundreds of people using the same product and services tend to call the customer service people. What happens? High volume of calls are directed towards the customer support service. Here again the organization has to think to increase their customer service representative workforce. This again eats the company's profit margin. So what are the solutions for this? The solutions for this are technical writing team. We do deep analysis and planning in terms of getting the right and essential information from the SMEs or the team leads. And also we analyze the process of capturing the information and how it should be put across. We also take care of maintaining the documents and on-time delivery. The second one is empathizing and anticipating the user challenges. First one is we know our audience. We put ourselves in the shoes of audience and then we generate content for them. We make the process of searchability easier. We also aid to give graphics and videos for better understandability. The third one is addressing the basic customer service by creating a self-service content, generating FAQs so that by referring to it, the basic problems are solved immediately there and then, and also easy access to content. Thank you. Hope you like the content. Please show your support by subscribing to our channel and please hit bell icon to get notifications.